Thanks for joining me today. We are going to be reviewing the new MyCivic Utilities app that's being rolled out by the Sioux Center Municipal Utilities. Excited for this opportunity to have an app to interact with our customers. First of all, you'll need to get the app. It can be found at either the Apple App Store or Android Play Store. It's going to be this little blue MyCivic Utilities. Will be a good place to start for the search. Once you locate it and hit the install, it'll run that process. The first step you will need to do is enter Sioux Center in the search for your city. Once that is completed and you select Sioux Center, you'll be able to log in if you're a return customer or register. If you currently have the online municipal payment through our website, you will already be able to use that login, and I will show you where that can be found on the city website. So you have both this app option and then also the website option to review information. Also, if you are moving in from a different community that was using Tyler Technologies and you had either this app version or the website version, you can also use that login information. So once you are ready to log in, you will need, for the first time, if you are setting up an account, your first name, last name, phone number, email address. A note, the email address will be your user login, and then select a password. Once you are registered and have an account, one of the first things you'll need to do is add to the My Profile your account. There's also, you can get to that by selecting on the three little lines here, also referred to as a hamburger menu. And from there, then you can choose My Profile. When you select the My Profile page, this will appear with your name, email address, and phone number. Here is where you'll be able to add an account. And then also, this is where you can also add payment information. Below this area here, you can scroll down a little bit. It doesn't show up here on this screenshot. So you can also, so for that, you can use credit card payments as a way to pay your utility bill. So moving along for adding an account, when you add an account, the link an account, you'll press continue. And then on the next screen, you will select Connect Existing Service. Once you select that, this screen will appear, which you will need your account number. Your account number appears on your bill, kind of on the left side, about third, on the top third. The account is the 2 digits, 6 digits, 2 digits. Entering it, you will just enter the digits. Do not need to enter the dashes. And then it'll also ask for your last payment. So this amount is your last payment. It might not be what your full amount is if you didn't pay for the full amount. Also, make sure if you're on budget billing, you're using your budget billing amount. So again, please remember this. If you're, depending on where you are in the month, the last payment, it might not be the payment that shows up on the current bill, but it might be a previous bill's payment. So it's the last payment you made to the utility for your utility bills. Once you have that entered, you'll come to this screen. You can choose to have reminders when bills are available and due emailed to you. Just need to enter the email address there. If you choose not to do that, you can click continue or skip. This part of I have not tested this, so if you are having some issues with this, please let me know and we'll get those errors corrected if you do select email reminders. Nice option here with the account tab. You can also do the pay now. If you are set up on an ACH, this will not be an option for you. Just a reminder that ACH is a great way to pay your bill. Don't need to remember the 20th of each month. Your payment amount that is due is withdrawn from a checking or savings account. If you are interested in that, we'll discuss here in a few minutes a way to contact us. So we can use that option to send us a note and we will help you get set up with ACH. It's a great way to get your utility bill paid without having to remember each month to get it completed. Again, with accounts, you can also add payment information under My Profile. The next tab on the top, moving along, is usage. This is a great way to see your usage for the current year and the previous year. And each of the metered utilities is available for you to view. So you'd have electric metered, gas, and water. Also, if you are interested in 3 years worth of service, you can go to our website, which I'll show again at the end, and you can view 3 years worth of utility usage there. The last tab across the top is history. This one gives you up to currently a year's worth of information, or a couple months here, but you can select your filter for how back you'd like to view payments. And then that payment information is also, so it shows your payment information. It also gives you the option to view your actual utility bill by selecting the PDF. With this option and also the option on the website, if you no longer feel you need to receive an actual physical copy in the mail of your bill, please email Becky at siouxcenter.org is one option. If you would like to no longer receive a paper copy, you will receive an emailed copy of it, but then also will have the opportunity to view it here on the app or from the website. Another option, if you would like to receive emailed copies of your utility bill, is to go under Accounts, select More Actions, and once that appears, you can select Service Requests. The next screen that appears will have the sign up for emails. It's kind of the lead-in one, but there's also options for miscellaneous. So if you have just a miscellaneous question, consumption review, or want to update account information, this is also the spot if you are interested in getting some more information about ACH. You can just select the miscellaneous option here, and then on the little instruction area, so enter information if you're looking for ACH information, or if you would like to receive information emailed to you on your utility bill instead of receiving a paper copy. Most months between the 25th and 29th, the bills are produced and are emailed out. Kind of depends on the month and how things land. So if you want to receive your bill a few days earlier, this is a great way as well to get it submitted this way. Also, if you are assisting your parents living out of town but would like to receive an email copy, we'll need permission to do that, but that's a great way to, if you're trying to assist your parents, an older family member, or just a member that needs some assistance or want to make sure they are getting bills paid, this is a great way to have any bill emailed to you. It's the new app, so thanks for taking the time to install it. Hope you find the information helpful and a great way to connect with the city utilities of Sioux Center. If you do have any request or are having issues with the app or even the website option, feel free to give a call to 722-0761 or email daryltp@siouxcenter.org. And so then the other option to go for once you have an account set up is to go to the city website, select Pay a Bill, and under Online Account History, you can select the usage, this blue area, and from that, this will pull up and you can select utility billing. First, need to log in and then select utility billing. So that is another option. There's to get bills paid and to view your utility bills online. Again, thanks for taking the time to view the video and hope you enjoy the app or the website. Thanks.